A survey of 227 respondents found that composite engineered wood flooring for elevated platforms is the most flexible for future change, the easiest to install, the best value, and the most level surface. Further independent research found that ResinDek composite engineered flooring, manufactured by Cornerstone Specialty Wood Products, provides a more ergonomic, economic, and environmentally friendly floor. An independent report found that ResinDek flooring panels were up to 34% more cost-effective than concrete when used on an elevated work platform, as well as 85 to 90% lighter than concrete. This allows for less steel in the support structure and the elimination or reduced size of footings. ResinDek's install costs are 77% lower than those of concrete, because ResinDek panels can be installed faster, with construction time reduced as much as 3 to 5 weeks, depending upon the size of the job and number of levels. Unlike concrete, ResinDek is supplied with a consistent factory finish, resulting in superior floor flatness, better levelness, proper surface roughness, and often higher coefficient of friction. These attributes can result in outstanding operating efficiencies of automated guided vehicles and autonomous mobile robots. Many AGVs and AMRs lack braking systems, and where there is a rise or a swale in a floor, a robot can roll downhill or use excessive energy going uphill. This requires more demand on the robot's battery, or can even cause the robot to roll away from its fiducial, resulting in a lost robot and expensive downtime to get the robot back on track. Concrete often cracks and spalls over time. This is expensive and invasive to repair, making it difficult for humans to roll carts and maneuver heavy pallet jacks across. And, even worse, cause a trip hazard. ResinDek flooring provides added benefits of increased worker comfort and decreases the risk of work injuries and insurance claims. Research conducted by The Ohio State University's Institute for Ergonomics found that an elevated platform with ResinDek flooring compared to a concrete platform decreased tibial shock by 7.8% at the work rate walking speed and reduced the equivalent of 12 pounds of body weight while working. ResinDek flooring is environmentally friendly. Installing a 50,000 square foot mezzanine with ResinDek panels is the equivalent to taking 56 non-electric cars off the road for a period of 1 year, thus saving consumed energy and reducing pollution, while generating 67% less smog than concrete. ResinDek panels are available for different load capacities with different finishes. As technology changes, ResinDek flooring adapts to meet these changes to grow with your organization. We can create a custom-tailored solution for your application and back it with a 10-year product warranty. ResinDek, the flooring panels used by experts. To learn more, visit ResinDek.com.